Good morning. I'm about to head out to meet a professional drone pilot who I've managed to get on board for an adventure today. You might know him from television, you might know him from YouTube, but if you've ever watched drone footage, I can guarantee you've seen some of his shots. Let's crack on. I've got a half an hour drive to meet him. Seriously, I hate GoPros. I just realised I've just been shooting and not had the mic plugged in because you need the stupid adapter for this one. Thanks GoPro. Yeah, just waiting for the drone pilot that shall not be named. There is a bit of blue sky there, so fingers crossed we actually get some good footage. Sausage. Look at this guy. Hello, mate. Don't want to squish you, do we? Pizza delivery. Taking out the crap that people leave. Add it to my pile of crap.